Are F assets much closer than everyone thinks? Well, it's pretty interesting. We know that Flare Labs, which is the entity that are building the F asset protocol, they released their repository, their code base, and made it public about 1 week ago. And this is very interesting to me, and I read a little bit deeper into this because for me, it suggests that F assets are actually much closer than most people think. Why would a half-completed repository be made public? You first create the minimal viable product as a foundation to build upon and then refine. Now, of course, there is going to be a need for extensive auditing and obviously a lot of testing. But this repository, after looking at the code base and the files contained within it, suggests that F assets may just be around the corner. I'm pretty hopeful, and it's one of the protocols that I'm really looking forward to because this is going to make the Flare network especially unique and build upon the already incredible network. Let me know what you think.